everyone, welcome back to Speak with Indu. Today's topic is very important, how we can think in English. Many learners face this problem. They can understand in English, but they first think in Hindi and then translate in English. This slows down speaking. Today we fix this problem. Stop translating in your mind. Directly think in English. When you see something, then think in English. For example, if you see water, then directly think water instead of pani. Saw lion, think lion. Her name is Dipanjali. Whatever she saw, she think in English. When she saw cat, she said just cat. When she saw dog, she said dog. Because of this habit, she started speaking English very fastly. Remember one thing, think in English, speak in English. Start thinking small words in your mind. When you saw pen, think pen. For example, start thinking in English like water, pen, book, desk, chair, etc. Start thinking small sentences in your mind instead of thinking long sentences in your mind. For example, I am eating food. I am going to the market. This is my room. This is my bed. Instead of saying I am going to the market and I buy fruit, think I want food. I am going to the market. There was a boy who wants to speak fluently, but he always translated everything. Slows in speaking because he first translate and then speak. This takes long time. After some times, he changed his habit. Whatever he saw, he just directly think in English, and by this process, after few months only, he able to speak English fluently and confidently. There is a girl who afraid of speaking. Her teacher said, try first, and she started facing fear. She started speaking. Making mistake is not so big deal because native speaker also made mistakes, and making mistakes is journey. Making mistake is the part of learning. So don't be afraid, just speak, try to speak. And now she able to speak confidently. So think in English, speak in English. By this process you can speak fastly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I meet in you next video.